Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session on Introduction to Television and Cinema. We were discussing about Malayalam cinema, and we are almost at the fag end of that particular module. And we were discussing in within Malayalam cinema, we were discussing about the masters of Malayalam cinema. Okay, so far we have discussed four masters from Malayalam cinema: Adur Gopalakrishnan, then G. Aravindan, then John Abraham, P. N. Menon. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss about the last masters as per what is in fact given in your textbook. Okay, there are so many masters in Malayalam cinema other than these five, but still, as per your textbook, he is the last person that is in fact there for you to study, and that is KG George, Kulakattil Givergis George. Okay, so he is basically a filmmaker, Indian filmmaker and screenwriter who worked in the Malayalam cinema, and he was the founder of a new school of filmmaking in Malayalam cinema, along with Bharadan and P. Padmarajan, okay, in 1980s, you can say, which created groundbreaking films that were widely received while also being critically acclaimed. I have already made a mention to that, when on my discussion about parallel cinema. This particular category of cinema we call as middle stream cinema. It is not mainstream cinema, it is middle stream cinema. You can see that they are widely received as well as critically acclaimed. Okay, so that is a speciality of the movies of KG George, and he revolutionized Malayalam cinema in 1970s and 1980s. Okay. He is known for his unconventional works, okay, and you can say that the speciality of George's movies are like, it is noted for deep psychological analysis, and you can see that a character study of human mind in his film. There is a character study. Okay, so the character is like, there is a character that is evolving. It is not a static one. Okay, so the psychological approach to a character, to a movie, which actually makes this movie distinct from others. So you can say that almost all his movies are like, it has got a deep analysis of the human mind. Okay, and after his diploma from Film and Television Institute in India, FTII, George started his film career as the assistant director to director Ramu Kariyattu. So that is how he began. He was the assistant director to Ramu Kariyattu, and then his first movie debut was with Sopna Danam, which came in the year 1975. That is where he began, which won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film in Malayalam. And it is like a marital psychodrama and was a commercial success while maintaining its artistic quality. And one thing that you have to remember is, like, this particular film rejected all the usual conventional kind of song dance numbers of popular cinema, yet it reached the masses. That is a speciality of this particular director. Okay, so the second movie was Yavaniga, which came in the year 1982, and it was also like, another commercial hit, yet artistically it was like a superior film of 1980s. Then in the form, it was in fact in the form of a detective thriller. Okay, explores backstage drama of a traveling drama troupe. What is happening up there, in a traveling drama troupe, that is explored in Yavaniga, and that also won Kerala State Award for Best Film. Then his third movie is Adaminde Variyil, which came in the year 1984. In that, he used a new narrative technique. Again, he talked about, it is in fact the story of unhappy marital lives and oppression suffered by three urban women. It is basically based on the short story of Velur Krishnagudi. You don't have to get into the details, okay? But still, I just made a reference, that's it. So, in this also, you can see that, it is like both artistically superior and also like a commercial hit, okay? Then, he has got so many other movies to his credit. And maybe his last movie was Elavangodu Desham, which came in the year 1998. If you remember, when I was young, very young, the movie actually came. So I know that it was not a hit. It was in fact a flop. But you can see that even in that movie, he maintained a rich content, and you can say an artistic quality. It is in fact a period movie released when mimicry movies rule the roost. Okay, so it was in 1990s. You can see that there is a decadence for Malayalam cinema. Okay, there was unnecessary importance that is given to not humor, but comedy, you have to say. So that particular time the movie came into existence. So maybe because of that got released. So but the audience somehow did not relate to this movie, though it was like a period movie. Okay, so that is what he himself made this particular statement, that the audience somehow did not relate to this movie. But he always consider that it's like a very important movie, and he has created many milestones, you have to say, in Malayalam cinema. Okay, KG George. Then his memoir came in the year 2012, and it titled Flashback, Endeyum Cinemayudeyum. Okay, that was his memoir, published in the year 2012. When we talk about the contribution of KG George to Malayalam cinema, what you have to remember is he was a founder of a new school of filmmaking in Malayalam cinema, along with Bharadan and P. Padmarajan, which we call as middle stream cinema. And he was given then a tag definitely by the media, definitely as Vaya Media Director. That is how we fondly call him, KG George. So these are the contributions, major contributions of KG George to Malayalam cinema. Okay. So that is about the module 5 of your textbook, Introduction to Television and Cinema. Before I wind up, let me tell you a few words. Malayalam cinema has come a long way, and it is always popular, it's always known for the realism in it. When you compare Malayalam cinema with Indian cinema, you can say it always it stands out, Malayalam cinema, maybe because of the realism in it. You can see that the superstars, or you can say the so-called great directors from Bollywood and or Tollywood, or even from Telugu, they were talking about the content in Malayalam cinema. Okay, so that is why I've told you, it's known for its realism. Realism means they're talking about real life situations. Okay, so so that is the speciality of Malayalam cinema, and it is not afraid to test new genres and experiment with new generation movies. Definitely, the new generation movies movies have contributed a lot to Malayalam cinema. But even prior to that, you can see that there is a significant change. There is a kind of a standout kind of a feeling that was always there with Malayalam cinema. Okay. So that is all about module 5 of your paper, of your textbook, Introduction to Television and Cinema. So go for a revision, because there are so many names, though they are like very familiar. There are so many names that are there for you to study, and go through it diligently, and come up with like questions if you have any, and then till we meet in another video with the next module, like basics on film making, which is our last module. Take care, and God bless. Thank you.